Right here I have these chino twill dress pants and wanted to show you a first look on what these look like. So I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium, and these are going to be perfect if you are 6 foot all the way to 6'5". Now they do have an extra tall version as well if you're above 6'5", and that's going to be perfect because you're just going to have more options and be able to look good in your clothes. First off, this is going to be 100% cotton, and it's actually going to be a really comfortable, lightweight, and breathable cotton as well. It just looks really good, and we also get 2 pockets in the front, and we're going to feature 2 pockets in the rear. Now, on the front here, this is going to be an elastic material, so you do not have to wear a belt with these, which just gives you comfort all day. And we're going to have a drawstring on the inside. This is not going to be on the outside, so whenever you tie it, the string is actually going to be concealed on the inside. Show you what that looks like tucked in, and honestly, it fits really good. Goes over these shoes very well. This is going to be more of a relaxed fit. It's not going to be a slim design, but it also just feels really comfortable. It's something you can wear all day. You can wear this to the office, to work, to a wedding. You can dress up or down with these. There's so many different options you can do with these pants, which just makes this a very good option to have in your wardrobe. The stitching is going to be really nice and seamless going all the way down, and overall it's just a very high quality pant. I highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice, comfortable, elastic waistband that's just going to be really nice for office or daily wear. Check out the other colors, add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.